When people think of Japan, ramen is always one of the top things that comes to mind. And among all the ramen chains in Japan, Ichiran stands above the rest, famous for its rich tonkotsu pork broth and the unique solo dining experience. Ichiran started in Fukuoka, the birthplace of Tonkotsu Ramen. The focus here is complete flavor immersion and peace. Every Ichiran we have been to, it's always in the basement. So you're always coming into the store and then you have to go downstairs. And there are a lot of stairs. You can buy your meal tickets from the vending machine. Take your ramen, add toppings like eggs or extra pork, or you can even pick a combo meal. You can pay with a credit card, cash, or even your IC card. Just make sure you grab those tickets and have them ready. Once you get your meal ticket, it's time to find your booth.
いらっしゃいませ。ご来店ありがとうございます。お客様こちら前失礼いたします。オーダー用紙お気に入りましたらこちらのボタンにしてくださいませ。
After you sit down, fill out your customization form. You can choose the flavor strength, the broth richness, garlic level, green onions or white onion parts, whether or not you want pork, and also how much red sauce you want, and last but not least, the noodle texture. Once this is all done, place your ticket and the customization form under the bamboo curtain. And now just wait for your ramen to arrive. If you ordered an egg like I did, it will come first and you will need to peel it yourself.
後の商品は少々お待ちください。失礼いたします。
It's actually not hard. It's quite easy to peel. And within a minute or two, your bowl of ramen will appear.
失礼いたします。先に失礼いたします。お待たせいたしました。それでは失礼いたします。
In your booth, you will find wooden signs for you to communicate with the server without speaking. You will also find some chopsticks, wet towels, and a cold water station. Now grab a pair of chopsticks and slurp proudly. It is a compliment. Creamy broth, thin noodles, and that signature red sauce. It is just so amazing. If you need more noodles, just order extras with your ticket and enjoy another round. Once you're done, simply get up and leave. No payment needed at the counter and no need to speak with anyone during your dining experience. Ichiran isn't just food, it's an experience. It's a must-try for any Japan traveler. Thank you for joining this Ichiran Ramen adventure. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment your perfect ramen combo. Until next time, thank you for traveling with us.